Oh my God, Jay.
Come on, no!
Go on. Go on.
Come on, no! Bro, stop playing with me! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck did I just...
Go. Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll take that. Oh my god, of course I got a hit marker on the 5th, right? Oh, a little splitty. Oh. Let me go. There we go. Fuck it. Yeah, now so far, chat, I'm not gonna lie, this game is really like that. Gameplay, movement, everything, maps. Shit, the spawns can be better, a little bit better on domination, but other than that, this map is like that. Or this game is like that even.
A few moments later.
Oh my fucking god, bro. They're all just sitting on the heart. Like, this is why I can't stand sniping in this game, bro. There's no drag shotting in this fucking game. Holy fuck, bro. Bro, chat, this game is fucking... Oh my god, bro. I swear. Controller on this game is just not it. Like, I'm just not a controller player anymore. I'm just not. I'm just not. I'm not.
Right. Come on, Jay. Always trying to die there.
Bro!
Come on. Flip I run. Flip I run.
Where?
No, yeah.
We might have something here, boys. That's what they just thought.
Damn, bro, this pistol is... It's automatic pistols.
I just sprayed the fuck out the door. Come on now. Ooh. Oh, I'll take a split quad. You know, I was just here.
You're playing the bait. Oh my god, bro. I don't know. Should I just...
Oh!
Oh my God, Jay.
Come on, no!
Go on. Go on.
Come on, no! Bro, stop playing with me!